Just what I said, I don't play with shield. In other words, you can play Halo with me. No, yeah, so basically becomes a one-hit kill. Yep. There's a setting that you can change on Halo that allows you to take the shield off. Yep. Well, usually, but...
This is proof you cannot toast bread in a microwave.
But me and my buddies
makes
like
it
to play
super
that way.
disgustingly
Makes it
soft.
harder, more of a challenge.
And you don't get the nice toasty look either.
Can I what? What does that mean?
And this is especially if you put any type of
No.
like butter or topping or condiment on it.
You can,
makes it disgustingly soft.
You can,
Daryl Louise thinks that you can toast bread in a microwave.
That's about it.
He must not know what a toaster is versus a microwave. Almost done. "20 seconds, we have our results." I know, boring people. Yeah, I know, lots of liquor. If 2, 5, 4, 2, 1. Good. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, holy